Mrs. Garcia, and today we're going to read a small passage about the U.S. Capitol. You can see it right there in the picture. Now follow along with me as I read aloud to you. The United States Capitol is located in Washington, D.C. It is where the Senate and House of Representatives work. The Senate and House of Representatives help to make laws for our nation. The U.S. Capitol building is known for the large dome on the top. People often confuse the U.S. Capitol building with the White House. The dome on the top helps people tell the difference. It is one of the most visited buildings in Washington, D.C. Now we're going to answer some questions about the U.S. Capitol, boys and girls. Remember that you can print this sheet out if you have a printer at home, or you can just write your questions and answer them in your notebook. So it says, after reading the text, answer the questions below using a complete sentence. So today we're going to underline the part of the question that we can use to help us begin our sentence. All right, so let me get my little marker ready here for you. So let's take a look at number 1. Who works at the U.S. Capitol? You're going to leave like a blank here. You're going to tell right here, you're going to leave a blank, right? You're going to put your answer there, and then you can say who those people are that work at the U.S. Capitol. Then you can complete your sentence there. So it would be blank works at the U.S. Capitol. Great. Number 2, where is the U.S. Capitol located? So you can start your sentence by saying the U.S. Capitol is located, so we're going to need the word is there too, okay? But we have to move it. The U.S. Capitol is located, and then you tell me where it's located. So you can use those words there to help you create a complete sentence. Number 3, how can people tell the difference between the U.S. Capitol and the White House? And then the second question is, what is the U.S. Capitol known for? So let's start with the first question. How can people tell the difference between the U.S. Capitol and the White House? So you can use, people can tell the difference between the U.S. Capitol and the White House by, and then you tell them. And then you can use, for the second question, what is the U.S. Capitol known for? The U.S. Capitol is, so we're going to need is again, I have to go grab it over there, is known for, okay? So you have 2 answers for number 3, right? Because if we have 2 questions, we need 2 answers. When you are done and you have checked all your work and you are proud of it, you're going to snap a picture and send it to your teacher.